Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your game resolution through launch options in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on Library at the top to view your complete list of installed games. This will display all the games you currently have in your Steam library, making it easy to locate the specific game you want to adjust. Now take a moment to browse through your game list on the left side of the screen. Find the game you want to change the resolution for and right-click its title in the left list. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing that particular game. From this menu, select Properties. This opens a dedicated window where you can configure various settings specific to that game. In the Properties window that appears, you'll notice several tabs at the top. The window will automatically stay on the General tab, which is exactly where you need to be. This tab contains all the basic configuration options for your game, including the launch options feature we're about to use. Scroll down slightly within the General tab until you find the launch options section. This is a text field that allows you to add special commands that Steam will execute every time you start this game. It's a powerful feature that lets you customize how the game launches, including resolution settings, windowed mode, and other technical parameters. In the Launch Options field, type -W space 1920 space -H space 1080. Let me break this down for you. The -W command specifies the width of your game window, and 1920 sets it to 1920 pixels wide. The -H command specifies the height, and 1080 sets it to 1080 pixels tall. Together, these commands force your game to launch in full HD resolution at 1920 by 1080. Of course, you can adjust these numbers to match your monitor's native resolution or your preferred gaming resolution. Once you've entered the launch options, simply close the Properties window. Steam automatically saves these settings, so there's no need to click a Save button. Now, whenever you launch this game, it will start with the resolution you specified in the launch options, bypassing the game's default settings. And that's it, you've successfully configured your game to launch with a custom resolution through Steam's launch options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.